Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.4 question number 10, that is most important for paper's point of view. So let's start. The sum of the three numbers in arithmetic progression is 27 and the sum of their squares is 293. Find them. Suppose the numbers are a minus d, a plus d are the three numbers. So let's start. Let a minus d, a plus d be an arithmetic progression according to first condition. So three numbers in arithmetic progression is 27. So that is a minus d plus a equal to 27. So a plus a is equal to 3a. So minus d plus d cancel, equal to 27. So dividing by a on both sides, a is equal to 3. 27 divide 3, 9 times 27. So value of a is equal to 9. Next, according to second condition, that is sum of their square is 293. So dear students, a minus d whole square plus a square plus a plus d whole square equal to 293. So a square minus 2ad plus d square plus a square plus a plus d whole square can also be written in the form of a square plus d square is equal to 293. So next, a square plus a square plus a square equal to 3a square plus minus 2ad plus 2ad cancel. So d square plus d square equal to 2d square. So next, 3a square plus 2d square equal to 293. So value of a is 9. 3 into 9 whole square plus 2d square equal to 293. So next, 3 into 9 square equal to 81 plus 2d square equal to 293. So 3 multiply 81 is equal to 243 plus 2d square is equal to 293. So next, 2d square equal to 293 minus 243. So 2d square is equal to 293 minus 243 is equal to 50. Dividing by 2 on both sides. So d square equal to 50 divide 2. 225 times 50. So d square equal to 25. Taking square root on both sides. Square root of d square equal to plus minus under root of 25. So square root cancel, d is equal to plus minus 5. 25 is the square root of 5. If d is equal to 5, then the numbers are a minus d, a plus d are given. So by putting the value of a is equal to 9 minus value of d is equal to 5, comma value of a is equal to 9. So value of next a is equal to 9 plus value of d is equal to 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Second term 9. Third number, that is 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So 4, 9 and 14 are the numbers. If d is equal to minus 5, then the numbers are a minus d, a plus d. Given numbers by putting the values of value of a is equal to 9 minus into value of d is equal to minus 5. A value 9. So a minus d, a plus d, value of a is equal to 9 minus into value of d is equal to minus 5. So value of a is equal to 9, value of a is equal to 9 plus value of d is equal to minus 5. So 9 minus into minus plus 5, 9 plus minus minus 5, so 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Second number 9, third number that is 9 minus 5 equal to 4. So next, which is the required solution? If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.